Top 5 Profitable Side Hustles You Can Start From Home. Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Academy. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to have you join us today. We've built this community around real, practical ways to improve our lives, and I'm so grateful that you're part of it. If you haven't already, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Today, I want to talk about something that's been on a lot of our minds lately: finding ways to earn a little extra money without completely upending our lives. Whether it's the rising cost of living, unexpected expenses, or just wanting to feel a bit more financially secure, we could all use a little extra cash. But here's the thing: not everyone has the time or energy to take on a second job or start a full-blown business. That's where side hustles come in. These aren't just about making money, they're about creating a sense of control over your financial future. And the best part? You can do them all from the comfort of your own home. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 of the most profitable side hustles you can start right now, even if you've got a packed schedule, a full-time job, or a busy family life. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's get into it. 1. Freelance writing. Let's start with something that's near and dear to my heart: freelance writing. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking: I'm not a writer, how can I possibly make money doing this? But here's the thing: freelance writing isn't about being the next great novelist. It's about connecting with an audience through words. And believe it or not, we all have something to say. The internet is full of content: blogs, articles, social media posts, newsletters, and all of that content needs to be written by someone. That's where freelance writers come in. Whether you have a passion for cooking, fitness, technology, or even parenting, there's a niche out there for you. When I first started freelance writing, I was overwhelmed by the sheer number of opportunities out there. But I quickly learned that you don't need to be an expert right off the bat. You can start small, maybe write a few blog posts on topics you're passionate about, or help out a friend with their website copy. As you build up your portfolio, you'll start to see more opportunities come your way. One of the best things about freelance writing is the flexibility. You can work whenever and wherever you want. If you're an early bird, you can knock out a few articles before the rest of the world wakes up. If you're a night owl, you can write after everyone else has gone to bed. The key is to find your rhythm and stick with it. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn are great places to start looking for gigs. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, even if you're just starting out. There are clients who need your unique voice and perspective. And the more you write, the better you'll get, both in terms of skill and in finding higher paying opportunities, too. Online tutoring. Next up is online tutoring, and this one is particularly close to my heart because it's all about sharing knowledge and helping others succeed. If you have a strong understanding of a particular subject, whether it's math, science, a foreign language, or even test prep, there's a student out there who could benefit from your expertise. When I first heard about online tutoring, I was a little skeptical. I wondered if people would really pay to learn from someone over the internet, especially when there are so many free resources available. But the reality is, personalized attention and guidance are invaluable, especially when it comes to education. A lot of students struggle with certain subjects not because they lack the intelligence, but because they need a different approach to learning. That's where you come in. What's great about online tutoring is that you can set your own schedule. Whether you want to work in the evenings, on weekends, or just a few hours a week, you can tailor this side hustle to fit your life. And the more you tutor, the more you'll start to see the difference you're making in your students' lives. It's incredibly rewarding. Platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant make it easy to connect with students from all over the world. And don't worry if you don't have formal teaching experience. What matters most is your ability to explain concepts clearly and patiently. Over time, you'll develop your own teaching style, and you might even find yourself becoming a mentor to your students. The key to success in online tutoring is to be patient and understanding. Remember, your students are coming to you because they're struggling, and it's your job to help them see the light at the end of the tunnel. And trust me, when you see that light bulb moment in a student's eyes, it makes all the effort worth it. 3. Print on demand. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something for the creative souls out there: print on demand. This side hustle is perfect for those of you who love to design, whether it's digital art, typography, or even just funny slogans. The idea is simple: you create designs, upload them to a platform, and they get printed on products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more whenever someone makes a purchase. One of the things I love most about print on demand is that it's almost entirely passive income. Once you've created your designs and uploaded them to a site like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, the platform takes care of the rest. They handle the printing, shipping, and customer service, leaving you free to focus on what you do best, creating. I remember when I first started out with print on demand, I was nervous about whether anyone would actually want to buy my designs. But the truth is, there's a market for just about anything. Whether your designs are funny, inspirational, or just plain cool, there's someone out there who will love them. And the best part? You don't have to worry about holding inventory or dealing with returns. The key to success in print on demand is to be patient and persistent. It might take some time to find your niche and start making consistent sales, but once you do, the potential for passive income is huge. And because it's all done online, you can work on it whenever you have some free time. Plus, there's something really satisfying about seeing your designs out in the world, being worn or used by people you've never even met. It's a great way to express your creativity and make a little extra money on the side. 4. Virtual assistant. Alright, let's talk about our fourth side hustle, becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. This is a fantastic option for those of you who are organized, detail-oriented, and good at juggling multiple tasks. As a VA, you'll be helping business owners or entrepreneurs with a variety of tasks, from managing their emails and scheduling appointments to handling their social media accounts. When I first heard about virtual assistants, I thought it was just another fancy term for a secretary. But it's so much more than that. Being a VA is about becoming a trusted partner to your clients, someone who helps them stay on top of their business so they can focus on what they do best. And the best part? You can do it all from home. The demand for virtual assistants has exploded in recent years, especially with more and more people working remotely. Businesses of all sizes are realizing that they don't need to hire full-time employees for administrative tasks, they can just hire a VA to handle it for them. And that's where you come in. One of the things I love about being a VA is the variety. No 2 days are the same. And you get to wear a lot of different hats. Maybe one day you're scheduling social media posts for a client, and the next day you're helping them organize their calendar. It's a great way to keep things interesting and learn new skills along the way. Websites like Belay, Fancy Hands, and Time, etc. are great places to find VA opportunities. And don't worry if you don't have a ton of experience, there are plenty of clients who are looking for someone with just the basics. As you gain more experience, you can start offering more specialized services and charging higher rates. The key to success as a VA is to be reliable and proactive. Your clients are counting on you to help them run their business smoothly. So it's important to be organized and always be one step ahead. And trust me, when you become that go-to person for your clients, they'll be more than happy to keep you on board. 5. Affiliate marketing. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This side hustle is one of the most powerful ways to earn money online, and it's something you can start with little to no upfront cost. The idea is simple. You promote products or services that you love, and every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. When I first heard about affiliate marketing, I was skeptical. I thought it sounded too good to be true, like one of those get-rich-quick schemes you see all over the internet. But the truth is, affiliate marketing is a legitimate way to earn money, and it's all about being authentic and providing value. Think about it, how many times have you recommended a product or service to a friend or family member? Whether it's a new gadget you're obsessed with, a book that changed your life, or even a restaurant that you love, we all share recommendations with the people we care about. Affiliate marketing is just a way to get paid for doing what you're already doing. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to be genuine and choose products that align with your values and your audience's needs. Whether you're blogging, posting on social media, or creating YouTube videos, it's important to be transparent about your affiliate relationships and only promote products you truly believe in. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are great places to start. And the best part? You can scale this side hustle as much or as little as you want. If you're just looking for a little extra cash, you can keep it simple. But if you're looking to turn it into a full-time income, the sky's the limit. One thing I've learned about affiliate marketing is that it takes time to build up momentum. You might not see results right away, but if you're consistent and keep providing value to your audience, you'll start to see those commissions roll in. And there's nothing quite like the feeling of earning money while you sleep, so there you have it, 5 side hustles that you can start from the comfort of your home. I want to take a moment to remind you that the best side hustle isn't just about making money. It's about finding something that fits into your life, something that you enjoy doing and that brings you a sense of fulfillment. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you're starting something new, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. Don't be afraid to try different things and see what works best for you. And most importantly, don't give up. With consistency, determination, and a little bit of creativity, you can turn any of these side hustles into a meaningful source of income. If any of these side hustles sparked your interest, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you're excited to try and if you've had any experiences with side hustles before. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might be looking for a way to earn a little extra on the side. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money, personal development, and living your best life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I'm really excited to see where your side hustle journey takes you, and I'll be here cheering you on every step of the way. Take care, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.